sorry for the delay, long time no update from my side, which is not caused by the bike. It's still working properly. I was just waiting for better weather, but this doesn't seem to happen this year. So it's quite possible that the next clip could show the installation of heated grips and seat heating, which we also call Eckgucker, Eierkocher auf Deutsch. Yeah, as mentioned earlier, I just wanted to present the suspension. I'll show the options that you have, what you can adjust, how you can adjust it, and what are the factory settings, just to add some extra value to this clip so that it is not just a waste of data. So maybe in the future, if you don't have the manual, you can check back the instructions here in this clip. All adjustments can be done manually or with a 4mm or 8mm Allen key or hex wrench is what it should be called. Not sure about that. In German it would be a Inbusschlüssel. For the adjustment of the rear spring compression, you would need 2 hook wrenches. I only had one during taking the video. Yeah, I won't give you any suggestions how you could adjust your suspension. You are responsible for your own adjustments. And I measured the weight of the bike just because I was interested if the values provided by Fantic are correct. And I would say yes, it's measured with about 50% of petrol in the tank. So it's not too precise. And if the deviation is plus minus 1 kilo, that's okay for me. Because in the end, most of the weight can always be saved by giving the driver a diet. Yeah, thanks for watching. Have a safe ride and always nice weather.